Okay, we're going to do a quick visual condition report. Now the full front clip is wrapped in PPF paint protection film, including the headlights and the mirrors. Now this wheel and that wheel are absolutely perfect. There's zero curb rash on it. I don't see any rock chips anywhere down the side of this car. The only thing I see is a little nick right there on the edge of that body line, on the very edge of the door right there. All of this is absolutely perfect. I don't see any rock chips. And then here on the front clip, I don't see any rock chips as well. The only thing you're gonna find is a little bit of curb rash on the underside, on the plastic here, but the paint itself, the actual bumper, is flawless. There's zero curb rash on it, including this piece here. The upper side is absolutely perfect. You get here on the underside, you're gonna see a little bit of rash. It has full front clip PPF, absolutely perfect. All of this is perfect as well. There's nothing else until you get right here on this lower side. There's a small chip. That's it. I don't see any scuffs, scratches, chips, or anything like that here on the back side. And this car is just wicked, wicked clean. Looking at the interior, it is a non-smoker and it is wicked, wicked clean. This thing looks brand new. I don't see any flaws here on that door panel. You have a couple tiny scuffs here, but otherwise that looks amazing. Got a few little scuffs on the piping, a couple minor wrinkles, a little scuff here on this piping. The rest of that seat looks perfect. That blue accent stitching looks really good. Steering wheel has that nice matte look to it. I don't see any other flaws in here. Here on the passenger door panel, looks absolutely perfect. I don't see any scuffs or scratches. Kick plate area looks amazing. That bolster looks awesome. I don't see any scuffs or scratches here. The rest of that seat looks amazing. I don't see any flaws on this side to notate. Very, very clean.